friends, welcome to the Reva's Gallery. Sardar Vallabhbhai Jhaverbhai Patel vision was to integrate India as one, irrespective of the caste, gender or religion. All belongs to one country, and that is India. As a true leader, the Iron Man of India is hailed even today for his work and contribution. He was one of the most respected personalities who played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence and contributed to Indian politics in significant ways post-independence as well. On special occasion of National Unity Day, I share speech on Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat, and was barrister by profession. He supported flood and famine affected farmers against British government tax hike and led various successful satyagrahas in Kheda 1918, Borsad 1924 and Bardoli 1928. People endeared him as Sardar. On being elected as Ahmedabad's municipality president, he worked towards creating unity and trust among the people, irrespective of their caste and socio-economic status. In 1931, he was elected president of the Indian National Congress and envisioned India's complete freedom, Swaraj. He took active participation in Salt Satyagraha, civil disobedience movement and Quit India movement, and was considered one of the most influential people's leader during the freedom movement. He played pivotal role in integration of 562 princely states into Republic India and had earned sobriquet Iron Man of India. After independence, he served country as the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India and had established all India administrative public services. And he is also known as Father of all India services. His birthday, 31st October, is celebrated as National Unity Day. He was conferred Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, posthumously in 1991. His leadership qualities, simplicity, honesty, integrity, down-to-earth nature, pragmatic approach to resolve problems, earthly wisdom, discipline, and organizing skills, and above all, love for motherland is a true inspiration for every Indian. It is our responsibility to work together towards realizing the dream of Sardar Patel. Thank you for watching.